In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion API integration and link it to a database. This process might seem a little complex if you're new to APIs, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step together. First things first, let's head over to the Notion integrations page. You'll want to visit the website https://www.notion.so/myintegrations. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new integration. Click on the plus new integration button to get started. This is where you'll start configuring the basic settings for your integration. Next, it's time to set up the integration details. Here, you'll need to enter a few pieces of information that will define how your integration will interact with Notion. You'll be asked to provide a name for your integration, make it something descriptive to easily identify it later. You'll also decide whether this integration will have access to any workspace content or just the contents of your private space. Select accordingly based on your needs. With the integration itself set up, the next step is to prepare the Notion database you want to connect. Open the Notion database and locate the Share button, which should be at the top right of the page. Click on it and a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select the Invite option. Here, you'll see an opportunity to invite your newly created integration to access the database. Simply choose your new integration from the list and invite it. This step ensures that the integration has permission to interact with your database. After granting access, you'll need to find something called the database ID. To do this, open the database as a full page within Notion. Once the database is displayed as a full page, look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice a URL there. Copy it. You'll find that the string of characters that appears right after notion.so/ and before any in the URL is the database ID. This ID is crucial, as it will uniquely identify which database your integration will connect to. Finally, it's time to connect to the database via the API using the credentials you've gathered. You will need your integration token, which acts like a password, and the database ID you just copied. With these credentials, you can use various tools to establish a connection. Some popular options include Postman, Make, and Zapier. Or you can even write custom code if you're familiar with programming. And there you have it. You've set up a Notion API integration and linked it to a database. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a couple of times until you're comfortable with the process. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.